One of the kindest things you can do to yourself to change your mindset and move along towards your future goals, which you can do even if you don't consider yourself to be an intuitive person, is connect to your future self. So let's make this super easy. You're going to do it right now with me. I'm going to walk you through it. So if you're able to close your eyes, excellent. Put your body in mostly a relaxed position. So I'm feeling relaxed even though I'm not laying down. In a moment, you're going to close your eyes, put your hand on your heart. This is going to make your body feel good. This is also going to send a signal to your body. It's okay to relax. This is a safe place. So you're going to close your eyes. You're going to put your hand on your heart. And you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose, taking it as deep as feels comfortable. Exhaling it out. I'm going to have you take 2 more deep breaths, and then I'm going to tell you how you're going to connect with your future self. So another deep breath in, another deep breath out. If there's any part of your body that needs a little squeeze, you need to roll your shoulders or anything to help you relax, go for it. And then, with your eyes closed, I want you to tip your head down as if you're looking down a long staircase in front of you. And take a deep breath and count the number of stairs. Notice how it looks like there's 10 stairs in front of you. And at the bottom of that staircase is a door. Now, that door, depending on where this staircase goes, it might glow, it might have a certain color. However you want to imagine this is great. So you're going to picture yourself. You've walked down the staircase gently and easily and calmly. You're at the bottom of the staircase, and in a moment, you're going to reach your hand out. You're going to open the door. Taking in a deep breath, exhaling a deep breath. So you put your hand on the doorknob. You feel the doorknob in your hand. You open the door. And on the other side of the door is your future self. This may be you. 10 years down the road, 20 years. Your future self is so happy to see you. She's giving you a huge hug. She's looking at you, or he, with the most loving eyes, with the most exuberance. This future you feels alive. They feel secure. They feel loved. They feel financially in a good place. And they draw you in for a hug or a handshake. They invite you to sit next to them on a chair that feels just so comfortable to you. And then your future self leans over to you and says, hey, I want you to get where I am in the easiest, fastest way. And I want to tell you something. And then your future self proceeds to tell you something. Let yourself notice whatever your future self is saying, whatever you're ready to absorb, whatever you notice. And if your future self needs a little prompting, you can picture in your mind that you're saying, do you have anything to tell me? Do you want to tell me anything, future self? After you've received the message, you can say thank you. You can give a hug back. And take in another deep breath or 2 and feel how it feels in your body being in the presence of your future self. When I was with mine, I felt love, I felt vitality, I felt that calm confidence. And my future self told me something, but she also showed me a picture. So she showed me dropping 3 coins in my hand, and I felt that each coin symbolized something, but she only told me one phrase. So oftentimes information for me can show up in my nighttime dreams, or it can show up randomly of like someone will mention a book title and then someone else will mention it, or in the same 3 days I'll hear the same quote 3 different times. So in addition to whatever your future self told you or showed you, over the next 3 to 7 days, notice if there are patterns showing up. The same phrase, people recommending the same book, people talking about the same musician or movie star or show. Notice if you can remember your dreams. And here's the other thing. You can repeat this again tomorrow or the next day. Also, let yourself have a curiosity and an openness and like an explorer's or an experimenter's attitude about what your future self shared with you. And see if that helps you, because sometimes it's literal and sometimes it isn't. So I don't know whether yours was or not, and you may not know. Sometimes even when it's literal, there's also a metaphorical interpretation of it, and vice versa. If you want to share in the comments how you felt, what your future self looked like, the energy you could feel emanating off of them, I would love to hear how this experience went for you.